So I made it back from my trip. 3 hours and 5 minutes. It was in the 90s. I'm at the refrigerator. We'll see how it did. And it's about 45 degrees in there. Running on DC, so it did okay. I'm going to turn it off. That shows that it's off, and now I'm going to get my food out of here. But it held it. Still glad everything was frozen. As you can see, the steaks are still good and frozen. And still some ice. It didn't do great. I mean, it lost a little bit of heat, but did pretty well. Alright, YouTubers, you can get your refrigerator to run on your DC, but you gotta have things good and cold first.